Hi, and welcome to the Roland Studio. And probably very soon it will be a different name on this channel. I have to change it due to the fact that I'm no longer in an 18-wheeler and the studio is no longer rolling. So I'm looking to change my channel name possibly to SP Arts or SP Arts and Design, or even Stefsart.Artstroidinary Arts. So if you wouldn't mind, I'd like for you to tell me which one of those three names that you like in the comments. Other than that, welcome to the hashtag First Saturday Art. This is a hop where several artists have gathered together each month to draw a prompt that's been given to us. I believe there's also a wild card, but this month's prompt was Valentine's, hearts, Cupid, feathers, chocolate. I believe there's one other one, 29 faces, I think is what it is, which I've never done the 29 faces. But one thing I do is button dolls. A button doll is basically like a wooden bobble head, and then you create a doll out of it with buttons. And this is my this is something I've been doing for a few years now, drawing different button dolls. And I guess anytime I think of a button doll, then I go on a venture, because I never know what I'm going to draw, how I'm going to draw it, what it's going to be. It's just random. And since it's a prompt, I thought that this would be very cute to exploit the hearts and the Valentine, and always a cute little button doll. So I really had no idea where I was going with this, but I think it's going to come together beautifully and super cute, and I hope that you like it. Now, it's been a while since I've been a part of a hop, and if I'm not mistaken, we are going to have the other artists in my description, where you can go into the description box, click the more, and then you'll find the other channels to the other artists, or at least for sure the next artist in line to go in after me. Now, since they've changed the hashtag Artsy Second Sunday to First Saturday Art, I will not be live with you on the hop day, because that is a day that I set back for my Lord Jesus Christ. I observe the Saturday Sabbath, and so I will not be a part of the live stream on that. However, I will go back to each artist's channel and go and watch everything after sunset, Saturday or Sunday. I'll come back and watch the different artists do their thing. So if you're here, I appreciate your support, being here, commenting, following, liking, and sharing. And please do so with the other artists here as well. We really do love to take the time to create entertainment for you. And I hope that you guys can appreciate that and support us all by liking everybody's, watching everybody's the full 10 minutes, just 10 minutes of your time to watch our videos and to enjoy, just taking a breath and enjoying some creativity just inspired by prompts. So I'm going to let you guys watch this. Go down in the description for the next artist, or if you're here on the live, welcome. And please go into the live chat with the others and enjoy all the different prompts that you'll see being created. So y'all have a beautiful Saturday, a beautiful weekday, month, a happy 2026. This is my first video for 2026. It's in February, and I did not get a chance, by the way, to do January's prompt, but I might go back and try to make something and put it in here for my playlist, even though it wouldn't be part of the actual hop on this month or this year's round. But hopefully I can catch every month and do each prompt. It'd be a lot of fun. And before I go, I really do just want to point out how much I loved creating this piece. Again, didn't know where I was going with it, but one thing I do on all of my art is I hide, it won't be hidden when you see me do it, but I do put my initials hidden inside of every art piece that I do. And in this case, this heart that you're seeing being drawn, this green, is more like a stone. And right here, you'll see me doing some little vein cracks in a stone. And I hope that you enjoy watching this process, because I'm creating some crackle effect here for this heart stone. And I hope that you like it. And inside that heartstone will be my initials, SP, for Stefanie Pettis. Again, SP Arts, you guys. I had a lot of fun creating this. It was not something I didn't, think I would be doing, but I just love making these button dolls, guys. Sometimes I do poetry or a little poem behind it, and I wasn't prepared for that, so I will not most likely have that unless I go back through this voiceover and create one before I post it, which I probably won't, but I sometimes do a little poem. But either way, I hope that you like my creation. I hope that you enjoy this hop. I hope that you follow each one of our artists and just have fun with this. And by the way, this is a greeting card that I ended up creating this out of a greeting, into a greeting card. And I'm also going to turn this into a print. So if you are interested in a print from me on any of my button dolls, I plan real soon to create a little somewhere to put it. I don't do Etsy anymore, even though I still have a page. But you can always email me, and we can talk about it. And my email will be also in the description box below. For now, it is under the Roland Studio. And you can find the email that I used with that one, because at this moment I can't remember which email it is. I really can't. I'm sorry. It's been a while. But I hope I'm not rambling too much. I probably have. But here is where I'm actually putting my SP. It is my little insignia logo for my initials. It's just an S. At the bottom of the S, I create a P. It's kind of hard to see in there. But that is my stone, and here is my card, and enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks again, you guys, for joining us in our hop, and have a beautiful day. Oh, and by the way, I did do some gold leafing foil on this, and I just thought it was so much fun to add the stamping and the little daubs of color and the foil. So I hope you like it. Please comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. And thanks for stopping by. God bless. Bye.